The northern lights are an amazing part of nature. Are you wondering where in the world you might be able to see this spectacular phenomenon? I would suggest Alaska, Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Norway, and Sweden. On April 4th, I conducted a survey about how much my classmates know about the northern lights. 8 people know a little about them, and 4 people don't know a lot about the subject. I also asked how interested you were about learning about the northern lights, and a majority of my classmates were interested. According to the website EarthSky, from the article What Causes the Aurora Borealis, written by Eleanor Imster, who has helped with a lot of stories for EarthSky, which was last updated on February 5th, 2017. When charged particles from the sun strike atoms in Earth's atmosphere, they cause electrons in the atoms to move to a higher energy state, which when the electrons drop back to the lower energy state, they release a phantom or a light. This process creates the beautiful aurora or northern lights. Now that I have shared with you what the aurora borealis is, I'm going to show you a video of what they look like. And then I have the 30 seconds already figured out. Oh, yeah. I hope you enjoyed that video. The lights are just so beautiful.
Yep.
Sorry. The lights are just so beautiful. I also found some interesting facts. According to the Secrets of the Northern Lights, written by Paul Breek, who was a solar physicist and has a degree in astrophysics from the University of Oslo, which is in Norway, last updated in February 2013. The Northern Lights display a variety of shapes and structures that can shift dramatically in a matter of minutes. The most common shape is the curtain-like sheet that moves and flickers like fluorescent folds of silk in the sky. These patterns are a visible manifestation of the solar wind buffering Earth's magnetic field. Another fact from the same source, they happen day and night during the entire year, but are only visible from the ground during clear, dark nights because daylight outshines them. In parts of the northern Norway, you can see the aurora almost every clear night, but the north part of Norway is the same latitude as Barrow, Alaska, so you'll need to travel quite far in North America to see the aurora frequently. When the sun is active, like now, the northern lights should appear 10 to 15 times each year in the upper continental U.S. and a few times in the mid-states. The strongest aurora often occurs between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. local time in Europe, and more like midnight to 4 a.m. in North America. The best period is from September to April, when nights are dark. My dad, who grew up in Iceland, had 20 hours of total darkness from Christmas to about the end of January, where it was very common to see the aurora borealis. In conclusion, according to the website Earth Sky from the article, What Causes the Aurora Borealis, written by Eleanor Imster, who has helped with a lot of stories for Earth Sky, which was updated on February 15th, 2017. The Northern Lights, which are charged particles from the sun, strike atoms in Earth's atmosphere. They cause the electrons in the atoms to move to a higher energy state. The electrons drop back to a lower energy state. They release a phantom or light. This process creates the beautiful aurora or northern lights. It was very interesting learning about this topic, and I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.